Before you decide to buy iPage for your web hosting needs, there are 12 things you need to know. Many people compare iPage to giants like Bluehost and HostGator, but is it really the best option for you? Stick around to find out how it stacks up against the competition and what you should consider before making your choice. The first thing you should know is iPage offers a very affordable starting price, often as low as $199 per month. But, as is the case with many low-cost options, renewal rates can be much higher. While you might get a great deal initially, be sure to check how much you'll be paying after that first term ends. This can sometimes catch people off guard. Next thing, iPage offers unlimited bandwidth and storage, which is great for those who expect high traffic or have a large website. But when comparing it to other hosts like SiteGround, it doesn't quite match up in terms of speed and overall performance. If speed and uptime are a priority, iPage might not always be the most reliable choice. The third thing you need to know is that iPage includes a free domain for the first year. This is a good deal if you're just starting out and don't want to spend extra money on domain registration. But if you're planning to purchase multiple domains or a premium TLD, iPage's pricing can be less competitive compared to other providers. The fourth thing to consider is that while iPage does have a user-friendly website builder, it's more basic than some of the advanced builders that competitors like Wix or Squarespace offer. If you're looking for something with more design flexibility or e-commerce features, iPage might not be the best fit. Next thing, iPage's customer support is available 24/7, but it's a mixed bag. While you can get help via live chat, email, or phone, the quality of service can be hit or miss, with some users reporting slower response times. On the other hand, providers like SiteGround and A2 Hosting are known for their excellent customer service. The sixth thing is their email hosting. iPage provides a free email account with each hosting plan, but if you want more advanced email features, you'll need to upgrade to their paid options. For those who rely heavily on email, this could be a drawback. Next up, iPage does offer free SSL certificates, which is great for site security, especially if you're running an online store or handling sensitive information. But some other hosting providers, like Bluehost, also include this at no extra charge, so this isn't necessarily a standout feature. The eighth thing to note is that iPage doesn't offer a lot of advanced server configurations. If you're looking for a hosting provider that can support highly customized setups or offer more control over your hosting environment, you might want to explore options like A2 Hosting or HostGator. Next thing, iPage does not offer a traditional website builder with drag and drop functionality like you might get with Wix or Weebly. While they have a tool for basic sites, those looking for more complex functionality will likely find other services better suited for their needs. The 10th thing to know is that iPage doesn't have the most robust e-commerce tools. If you're planning on building a full-scale online store, you may need to integrate third-party solutions. Competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce are much stronger in this area. The 11th thing is iPage's website speed. While it's decent for basic sites, it doesn't perform as quickly as some premium hosts, like Kinsta, especially when under heavy traffic. For businesses that need top-notch performance, this might be a limitation. Lastly, iPage does offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is fairly standard. But if you're looking for a hosting provider with more extensive guarantees or better risk-free trials, there are other options out there that offer longer windows or more lenient refund policies. So, is iPage a good choice? It's definitely a budget-friendly option for basic websites, and it comes with some solid features like unlimited bandwidth, a free domain for the first year, and good email hosting. But when it comes to speed, customer service, and e-commerce tools, there are competitors that outperform it. If you want a better hosting experience, try our recommended solution. They offer a free trial, so you can test it out for yourself.